Yeah, so unfortunately, a lot of these instructional videos that show brake jobs being done, they make, getting these caliper bracket bolts off with, they're taking them off with just a normal size socket wrench, which leads me to believe a lot of these are, staged ahead of time where they, break them loose so they don't scare the regular shade tree mechanic like me, scare them away from doing this. But yeah, you definitely want to, my advice when you're doing brake rotors is to, before you get too far into it, make sure you can get that. Mine are on this 2015 Honda Odyssey. Mine are 19 millimeter screws. So just, make sure before you get too far into it that you can get those broken free. But I just wanted to show how I got them loose. So hopefully this helps someone out there doing a brake job, and you can get through it without much frustration. So next one. Okay, I'm going to show quickly what it takes to get these two 14 millimeter caliper bolts off here. One here and one here. I'm using my impact wrench, but you can use, big breaker bar. That'll work too. Just take a little bit more muscle. But I'm going to go ahead and knock those two off there quick. Okay, I got my compressor up to 100 psi, and I changed to an impact socket, 19 millimeter, the heavy wall impact socket, which will give me more hit on that thing. Should break it loose. All right, can't break it free. I'm going to put a breaker bar on them. All right, that was 100 psi with an impact socket, and still didn't break it free. So now I've got my breaker bar. Make sure I go the right way with it. Breaker bar with the cheater bar on the end of that. And if this doesn't break it free, nothing will. There it is. It's one. I don't have much, there's much clearance here. That's two. Right. Now I should be able to hit it with my impact. To get it the rest of the way out of there. All right, got my zip tie ready. I got my hand on it. So you don't want this hanging on the brake line. It'll tear it. This is a load. All right, there it is.